Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix MLB Ballpark app not working. To fix this issue, first you have to go to your home screen. After that, you have to find Play Store. Click on Play Store and in the search bar type Ballpark app. After that, click on it. And now here you will see an uninstall button. Click on uninstall. After that, click on uninstall again. And now you will see an install button. Click on install. After that, you will see a open option. Click on open. And now hopefully your app will be working correctly. If you are still facing this issue, then you have to go to your home screen again, and now this time you have to click on settings. After that, in the search bar type storage. Now click on storage and here you will see your device storage. You have to make sure that your device have enough storage because low storage can cause apps to malfunction. After clearing some storage, you have to go to your home screen again and open your app, and hopefully this will fix your issue. Hopefully these methods will help you to fix your issues. Thanks for watching.